Okay, so this is gonna be kind of my setup, but I don't really have war. We don't have wars or anything here, 'cause where I live, we don't have an airsoft field, sadly, and I broke my crappy spring pistol like a long time ago. But this is my ammo. I got this at Academy for $9, 20 grams, 5,000. Yeah, I had a spring pistol and I shot most of the ammo. And I got this in the summer, the JG bar tent. Kind of review it a little. I'm just going to show a hidden feature about the scope that probably if you have one you don't know about. This twist. It twists out quite a bit, but anyway, and when it's done twisting, you'll notice and it makes the scope less blurry. The crosshairs, I kind of can't tell the bullet. BB drop, I guess, not bullets. Yeah, but it makes it blurry or unblurry. And then it starts out at the 3x zoom. Then you can adjust it to all the way from 3 to 9. Then when you unscrew these, it takes a while. You can get a flathead screwdriver, twist it to make it elevation. Screw down. And then it came with the scope mount and the scope. You can buy the scope without the scope, but yeah, I got it. Dang, that thing takes a while to twist. It's like that because I oiled it a few days ago. I haven't shot it since then, but it's spring powered. I've already cocked it back, but it's spring powered. Shoots pretty fast. Shoots about 300 to 400 FPS. And then safe is back and then fires forward. Yeah, the bolt gets stuck sometimes. I don't know why it does that. To push it forward. There we go. Stock's rubbery feeling. This recoil pad, it looks like it should belong on a real freaking gun. God dang it. Now, 43 had this kind of, well, the 243 had this kind of recoil pad, but it didn't, so we had to have a limb saver. Anyway, this comes off and I'll do this random thing. And I'll enrich with and my extra magazine that holds about 30 rounds. Then I'll show you the other one. You press this little button that's really hard to see. It's right there. You press it in and you grab it, but me and my dad had to get pliers to get it out because it's a pain in the butt. Anyway, it's the same, it just isn't shiny. You can't see where we grabbed it. This one was a pain in the butt. But anyway, the trigger's all metal. This is all metal, and you have to assemble the magazine release, and somebody already did it to ours, so me and my dad had to do that. So it was annoying. The hot wheel adjustable, I have it full on. You push it back and forth. Orange flash pressure. The barrel's pretty thick, actually. Sling mounts that are metal. Pretty much everything's metal but the stock. So that's basically my setup so far. Till we get a field and then I get a pistol, maybe assault rifle. That's all, so comment, rate, and subscribe.